Did you know that the UK passport holds more secrets and benefits than you might think? It's not just a travel document, there's so much more to discover. First, let's talk about the design. That iconic royal crest on the cover isn't just for show, it's a symbol of the monarch's protection. Wherever you go, this passport shows that the Queen, or now the King, has your back. But beyond the symbolism, did you know the UK passport contains some of the most advanced security features in the world? Those holograms, biometric chips, and invisible inks make it nearly impossible to counterfeit. Many passport holders don't realize how much technology is packed into these pages. Now, let's talk about freedom. As of now, UK passport holders can travel to over 180 countries visa-free or with a visa on arrival. This means fewer headaches at border control and more time to enjoy your trip. But it doesn't stop there. Holding a UK passport gives you access to fast-track lanes in many international airports. You can skip the long queues and get to your destination faster. And in case of emergencies, the UK government's global network of embassies and consulates is ready to assist you. Whether you've lost your passport, need medical help, or face any serious trouble abroad, it's peace of mind no matter where you are. Finally, the UK passport offers unique privileges when it comes to work and study. Holders are eligible for working holiday visas and study programs in several countries, opening doors to global opportunities. So, next time you hold your UK passport, remember, it's more than just a document. It's your ticket to the world, packed with hidden values that most people don't even know about. Subscribe for more travel secrets and tips and unlock the true power of your passport.